Third Gear Moto. Previously on Third Gear Moto. Key lime pie, here we come.
I'm freaking out.
Yeah, listen. We fucked up.
Day 1. Rented a motorcycle from Eagle Rider Las Vegas. First stop, 7 Magic Mountains, then on to Kingman, Arizona on Route 66 by sunset. On our way to the Philly airport. Always leave a little early to avoid traffic. Chilling out and having cocktails before the flight. Anxiety is high before getting on board.
More than 6 minutes. Route 7, yo. Flight's delayed. Now we gotta move to a different terminal. Sucks.
Sucks to fly. That's why you should just ride everywhere you go.
Exactly. Now you know.
Oh, I know.
You gotta ride everywhere.
Just gotta ride everywhere.
We've been there already.
Fucks the plane.
No, the plane gotta get us there though.
Oh yeah, that's true. This sucks.
What's the point of flying?
5 a.m. now.
$12 later, flight delayed.
Take 2.
Back to the airport.
Hi, baby. Another line.
Take a good shower.
Flight touch. I'll need you up everything.
Hours later, we finally take off. Starting to get excited. Yes, we made it. No last night for a second. We waited goddamn hard.
Too funny.
It's on now.
It's on.
We're in Vegas, baby.
Somebody's happy. You got your luggage.
Feel complete, man.
All right, so taxi is outside.
Quick ride from the airport to Las Vegas Harley-Davidson to pick up our rental. A lot of people out already. One more. Finally got our 2023 Road Glide. And we're off. Next on third gear motor.
I just can't get into this in and out business. So, no more in and out for me.